just got these. Let's check them out. They're from WORKPRO, which is awesome. And first thing that we got, a pair of needle nose pliers. Oh yeah. Wow, nice ones too. Look at that. All right, what else did we get? Wait a minute, what's this? They wrap them really, they overwrap them. I hate to say it, but you know, you gotta get them out of the plastic, right? Really evaluate it. Okay, that's that. All right, so look at this one. Nice. All right, we got one more in here. I think it's a pair of channel locks. And they're already greased up, so you can feel like a little bit of grease on them to keep them from, yeah, those are nice. So this is a cool little set. I'll show you. This is our WORKPRO set. We've got this really nice pair of pliers. We've got these nice needle noses, and we got channel locks. And you can get them right here on Amazon. Super good. And I love the red color. I also have other WORKPRO stuff too, so I use it. It's good stuff. Get it right here, Amazon. Bam, done.